Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is day 6 of my birthday card a day, September 2023. I actually have 2 cards to share with you today because I was just having so much fun. So the products used, I used this deco foil, it's the hot foil, the gold stardust. It's just so pretty. I used the Newton's Nook Banner Duo die set. Everything will be linked in the description box below that is still available. I used the birthday greetings hot foil plates from Newton's Nook. I do have some left. I just did a whole bunch of them. I didn't space them out quite right to use the dies, the banner dies on them, but I can just still cut them out and use them. So there's that. I used the confetti hot foil plate. I did do I guess I initiated myself. I actually was trying to use the opal hot foil. I don't know if you've ever seen it. It is so hard to tell which side needs to be up or down, and so I did foil my plate, but it's such a light color. Didn't really matter. I will try that again some other time. I used the Newton's Birthday Delights stamp set and the coordinating dies, and the Birthday Barks stamp set and coordinating dies. I used the Newton's Nook Frameworks die. There's those coordinating dies for those stamp sets. I used the Newton's Nook's Frames and Flags die, and then I used this one right here, which is the Newton's Nook Land Border dies, and some glossy accents, some stickles, and some Gina Marie dots. So here's my first card. Can you see that foiling? It's just so pretty. I really am enjoying the foiling, both kinds, the kind with the plates and the glimmer system, and the toner type as well. You can see those glossy accents on the cake there. There's those dots. I used the Newton's Nook birthday party paper pad as well for this card. And then on the inside it says Heights of Delights for your birthday. So there's that one. The foil, I keep wanting to just see it shimmer and shine. And then for the second card, here we go, using those birthday barks. You can see that sentiment cut out with a banner die. There's that confetti piece foiled again. Those dots, got some glossy accents and some stickles on this one. I just love this little guy here. He's just so cute. And then let's party. So there are my 2 cards for today, for day 6. I had the most fun creating them. I'm having a lot of fun using my birthday stamps and products and stuff. It's just fun. I'm enjoying this. I'm glad I decided to do this series. Again, everything is in the description box below, and I will be back tomorrow with another birthday card. So until then, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye now.